Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to using Windows Photo Viewer Windows 7 into Windows 10. Why? Sometime we need to do this. Okay, I will open my folder. You can see Windows 10 while open the image sometime is slowly, you can see here, and with the background png file is black. I think for developer is not too easy or not useful, so we can change to Windows Viewer in Windows 7 into our Windows 10. How to do that? Okay, first you need to download Photo Viewer registry. The link I include in video description. Okay, the link is in video description. Now after you download, you will have file like this, and you can extract here. Okay, this is the registry of Photo Viewer in Windows 7. You can see I've before I merge with this Photo Viewer registry, you can see it's using Photos Viewer in Windows 10. It's black, and I think it's slowly than Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 7. Now let's replace uh, this viewer with in Windows 7 Photo Viewer. Let's right click and merge. Okay, click yes. Okay, now you can just open like this. Okay, and choose another application. For example, in here you can always use, right click in here, and then choose Windows Photo Viewer. Just click OK. You can see here it's fast than uh, default Photo Viewer by Windows 10. Okay, you can also set default Windows Photo Viewer in default app setting. This is just in the Photo Viewer, choose default, uh, look for if nothing. Okay, you just, if nothing here, you just click or creating png file in ms and ms paint, and then you can just save, for example, these two pictures and title. And for png, you can see this is using Windows 10, and you can do like before, open with and choose another application, more apps, and always use this app to open .png file, and you can choose OK like this. Now if you open png jpg, you will using uh, the interface like in Windows 7 Photo Viewer while using Windows 10 on your operating system. Okay, that's all. Tutorial how to using Windows 7 Photo Viewer in Windows 10 operating system. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.